What is up, guys? Namaste, namaste, namaste. What is up? I wanted to do a live because we're launching. हम अपने डाइट प्लान्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं और आप में से काफी लोगों ने ऑलरेडी मेरे को इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस भेज दिए. मैं ऐसे थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया था. मैं सबको बता देता हूँ कि क्या करना है. एंड अगर आप इफ यूर वंडरिंग मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, हम studmuffin.com पर अपने डाइट प्लान्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं बेसिकली फर्स्ट से. जिसका मतलब है कि आपको वेजिटेरियन डाइट प्लान मिल जाएगा, नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट प्लान मिल जाएगा. इसमें थोड़ा आपको गोल गोल मोटा मोटा लग रहा हो because I've been using because now I want to start gaining, so I've been using my stud muffin ka isolicious protein, and I've been using my protein peanut butter from stud muffin I'm saying stud muffilicious, sorry, I got confused there. Sarah says hi, what's up Sarah, how you doing? Anshu is giving me a smiley. I am Twinkle says boom, what's up? Privet human is private. Oh, private. Why am I reading these TikTok? Devansh says, please add me. Oh, I forgot you guys want to come on camera. Okay, wait, let me do that. Who wants to add you and then we can chat? What's up? Cool Set says, hello, Pars, what is up? Nidhi says, hey, what's up? Himani says, hey, what's up? How's it going?
Hi,
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, man. Not, I feel like I've had a very, like, stringently working weekend today. How have you been?
My heartbeat was like,
Why was your heartbeat like that? It's so funny.
मतलब बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ मैं सीरियसली आपका.
Oh, that is so sweet, man. What do you like? You like the Nuske videos? What do you follow? That's awesome. I'm so happy to know that. Which city are you in?
हरियाणा,
You're in Haryana. That's
फरीदाबाद.
awesome. That is awesome. Well done. What do you do, by the way? And what's your name?
I'm in 12th standard.
Okay. And
देवांश.
Devansh. Dude, this is such
Ignore
a.
them because
What?
काम चल रहा है हमारे घर में अभी पूरा.
That is awesome. You're obviously in the middle of renovating, which is nice, right?
Hmm.
That is very cool, Devansh. So, how have you been marrowing the lockdown ka time? How have you been cartooing all of this time? It's been so difficult. मैंने इसे गंदा सा haircut करा है. I'm struggling with that. I hope your life का struggles are not as bad as
मैं
mine.
अभी नहा के आया था.
Uh,
Hmm.
but you're looking good.
Thank you.
Tell me, do you have a diet question by any chance, Devansh?
No, बट मेरे को आपकी वो वाली वीडियोस बहुत अच्छी लगी. मैंने आपकी फर्स्ट वो देखी थी जो मैं कैसे बताऊं वो कौन सी थी जो गे वाली थी.
Are you talking about Baby Steps, the short film we made? Oh, awesome. So, by the way, today I have to shoot an episode of Kam Sutra. So, मैं वो
आज
episode
नहीं देखा मैंने.
नहीं आज मैं शूट करूंगा उसको. मंडे और फ्राइडे को रिलीज होता है. So it's really good fun. So have you seen my co-actress from Kam Sutra? Her, who you see in every video for Kam Sutra, who just stands there.
हाँ.
So she's on every video. So I'm going to shoot that
हम्म.
tonight. And tonight's आज का जो video that's about sexual positions for anal sex. तो को बड़ा मजा आएगा शूट करने में. ऐसे ऐसे मजेदार होने वाला है.
हम्म.
It's going to be like that. But so good talking to you, Devansh. Always a pleasure.
मेरा डीएम देखना ठीक है.
मैं actually DMs के मामले में ऐसे I don't get to it, but now that you've told me, I check it. I normally मैं comments तो सबके पढ़ लेता हूँ, DM तक मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाता हूँ. But now that you've told me, I promise to check it.
बात करना एक बार डीएम में ठीक है.
ऐसे क्या बात करना चाहते हो मुझसे देवांश?
देखना एक बार बात करनी है थोड़ी
I
ठीक है.
like I like how he's so cutely blushed. That is so cute, man. That is so cute. I'll check it out. I'll definitely check it out. But such a pleasure to talk to you. All right. See you,
थैंक यू बट
Devansh.
देखना जरूर प्लीज.
I promise I will definitely do it. All right. Bye.
बाय.
So cute. He's so cute. I like how Devansh is like, dude, just check my DMs. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm very bad with checking DMs. वैसे बड़ा नहीं होता मेरे से. I end up like normally reading comments. I keep an eye on that. But it's always good. It's always so nice to connect. In fact, today my entire team is working so hard because हम ऐसे make sure कर रहे हैं हम आपके लिए जो diet plans है बहुत ऐसे सही सही diet plans बनाए. और आज का जो चीजें हो रही है exactly वही हो रही है. To make sure that we can make some good diet plans because काफी लोग you want to lose weight, you want to gain weight, everyone wants to do new things, so everyone is asking me new questions. Hi, what is up?
हाय
Viraj,
पारस
how
भैया
are you?
कैसे हो?
बहुत अच्छे, आप कैसे हो? I love being
बस
called
एक
Paris Bhaiya, it always makes me feel so loved.
अरे आप बड़े हो ना मुझसे.
We
are big fan of yours. We are big fan of yours.
Oh, that is so sweet, man. Hi, what's up? Hey guys, what is up? I like that I'm twinning with your friend. My t-shirt and his t-shirt is the same. Hi, what is up? How are you doing? Where
How
are
are you
you?
doing?
Very good, man. I'm chilling. Where are you guys? Which city?
गुजरात से मैंने आपको डीएम भी भेजा था जब आपने बोला था ना कि आप वो ढूंढ रहे हो कॉलेज और स्कूल से
Oh, right.
सिखाने के
Oh,
लिए.
right. Of course, when we're
हाँ,
looking for interns, interns to start
यस
something, correct?
इंटर्न. तो मैंने
Oh,
आपको
that is
डीएम भी किया
awesome.
था कि गुजरात में स्टार्ट करो तो प्लीज रिप्लाई देना.
मैंने रिप्लाई किया उस डीएम का.
नहीं,
नहीं, right. मैं डीएम बहुत
प्लीज.
कम चेक करता. विराज, मैं
हाँ,
डीएम एक्चुअली मैं पहुंचता ही नहीं हूं उस तक. But like now that you've told me, I'm actually we're trying to make sure कि I want to talk to some schools and colleges so that we can get some people so that they can work for us. आप क्या करते हो विराज?
हमारा मेडिकल स्टोर है.
हाँ. Medical store है. I like it. What kind of medical store?
तो भैया से बात करवाना हूँ.
Hi. How are you?
Fine.
What kind of medical store is this?
It's a pharmacy store.
Oh,
Daniel
nice.
हॉस्पिटल है ऊपर.
हाँ.
ये फार्मेसी है.
Very, very cool, man. That is awesome. And I hope your business flourishes and I hope you guys make lots and lots of money and I hope you help a lot of people. That is so good.
Thank you so much, brother.
How are you guys staying safe?
सॉरी,
How are you guys staying safe during Corona?
कुछ नहीं. और कुछ नहीं वायरस बेस.
मेरा खुद जो मास्क होता है ना विराज, ऐसे लटका होता है बस मेरे फेस पे, because whenever I'm walking, hiking, trekking, obviously even WHO बोलता है कि आप मास्क नहीं पहनने चाहिए, right? तो वैसे वो लटकेला ऐसे कॉन्डम रहता है,
हाँ,
मतलब उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसका.
पीके वाले कान हो गए अभी. पीके वाले पहले ये ऐसे थे, अभी ऐसे हो गए.
That's funny.
और
That is funny,
आप
man.
जहाँ पे घूमते हो ना वो जगह बहुत मस्त मस्त जगह है. वहाँ जहाँ पे आप रहते हो,
It's
जहाँ पे आप घूमते हो, मतलब कमाल जगह है.
I'm glad you like it. मेरे को सब ऐसे बोलते भाई इतना शो ऑफ करते हैं, तो मैंने यार मैं ऐसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ, but I've got very lucky to stay here, Viraj. It's very nice. The place is fantastic.
आप कभी गुजरात आओ ना तो प्लीज मेरे को डीएम में मैसेज करना, हम पक्का मिलेंगे.
100% Viraj. अभी तो खैर मेरा प्लान नहीं है, तो मैं बॉम्बे चला जाऊँ वो भी बड़ी बात होगी. But when I do, I will definitely let's say hello to all your friends and say bye to all your friends from me. Very
वो
nice
बोल
chatting
रहा
with
है
you guys.
वो
All right?
बोल रहा है कि आसाम आओ तो मेरे को मिलना और गुजरात आओ तो मेरे
Oh,
को भी
who's
मिलना.
Assam? So I've spent a lot of time in Assam actually. I've shot so much in Kaziranga and I've shot in all these places. I have a
You
great
were there.
Sorry, I think my network has got bad. Say hi to your friend from me, okay? I will connect with you guys another time. All right? Big kuchus. Bye. That was Viraj and his friends. They're so cute. I love that. I love this about social media. I mean, otherwise हम एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं है, but when you speak like that, when you talk to everyone, it feels so nice because you're able to actually communicate. That's amazing. If I go to Gujarat, I have Viraj and I have his friends, so which is really really cool, and it's so nice. It is so good. If anyone has a question for anything with Nuske or Sarma, let me know because actually today what we are working on massively is actually just trying to do that, to try to make sure कि आपको हम ऐसे must diet plans दे पाए जिससे हम ऐसे सब sexy बन जाए, फिर इससे हम ऐसे सब hot हो जाएंगे, फिर मजा आएगा. So that is what we're currently. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Paris.
How are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Awesome. I've had a very like hard working day today.
Okay.
What about you? How was your Sunday?
It was good.
क्या किया आपने आज पूरे दिन?
Oh, nothing much. Just chilled out.
Awesome. What do you do, by the way?
Nothing. I'm just a housewife. Mother of
Just a
two kids.
housewife? No, that's the biggest job. It is the biggest job on the
Yeah.
planet.
It's basically called a homemaker.
Correct. That's awesome. So I've got to be honest with you. I don't have a mom and I don't have sisters, so I've had very little contact with women who run a house, right? जब मैं हिमाचल में इस बार हूँ, मैं पहली बार अपनी मामी के साथ, चाची के साथ, cousins, भाभी, everyone, I've realized, bro, their work doesn't get over. They are working the entire day and it is such a task and they do it with a smile on their face. So I have so much respect.
So, Paris, what happened to your mom?
My mom passed away when I was very young. My mom had TB. I was 16 at that time.
Oh,
And
so sorry.
so we lost her very unceremoniously. We didn't know, so she got misdiagnosed and all that happened. So a lot of people often ask me saying, "आप सिर्फ mom के साथ, dad के साथ photos डालते हो, mom के साथ नहीं photos डालते हो?" You know, I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, even I can understand. Even I don't have a mom and dad. Hello. Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know what to say to that. Okay,
Yeah.
that is
So,
a
Paris, I just wanted to know that do you have any products that can help me in improving my skin or can help me in weight loss?
your skin is already great. I was gonna just compliment you by the way on it, which is superb.
Thank
What
you.
are you looking? So we have the so sensitive water cream that we have is a collagen boosting cream. I think that will help you tremendously. It's very good for your skin. I don't know
As
if
I'm
you already
aging
have
now,
that.
my skin is going down. So,
Your skin is actually very good. Trust me, you don't need anything. But if you really want to buy a product, you can buy the so sensitive cream. It's very cheap. It's about 499 rupees. And for weight loss, we're
okay.
actually launching BCAA and we're launching fat burners on Stud Mushing very. So that's gonna
All
happen.
right.
But I'm not just I'll be very happy if you buy my products. Please go ahead and buy them. But I'm saying you don't need them because your skin is great. So I don't want you to randomly go and buy things. But if you feel like you wanna help collagen, if you feel like you want to work with anti-aging, my best advice to you, anyone, is just you have kela at home. Do you have like bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think the best thing actually for face, for collagen, and for anti-aging is either a banana mash where you take like kela and you put dahi. It's the simplest nuska, but it is so good. Or you do the same thing with papaya. Papaya का जो छिलका होता है, papaya का छिलका has something called pepin in it. So pepin actually helps with two,
All
three things. It helps with shutting your pores, it helps with pigmentation, it helps with anti-aging. So if you just rub papaya on your face, you're going to be superb. Even more superb than you are already. Yeah? I hope that helps you, and I feel like I've lost that connection. Hello? I can't hear anything.
right.
Thank you very much. My skin
And
actually
even
is
you,
god awful. The reason Nuske Paparas began is because I got so tired of having like sabudana on my face as pimples constantly. I was like, I have to do something about it. But always good talking, and I'm so glad we connected. बात करके से emotion ऐसा हो जाता है मैं क्या करूं? It's one of those pains. I don't know how to say it. I think you can lose your parents very early in your life, and it's been my mom passed away 20 years ago, man. 20 साल बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. पर ऐसे जब भी कोई ऐसे बात करते हैं, सो हो जाता है. मैं क्या करूं? ऐसे धर्म संकट होता है ना हमारे लाइफ में. Okay, I will add one more person. Whoever wants to talk. Do. Being Aadhar says love from Toronto. That's very sweet. Hi. Paris remedy for melasma. Saima is saying. Okay, so melasma, I don't very often give remedies like that because for everyone's skin it has different things. But if you write to me on a chat, I will try and tell you for melasma what you can actually do. I also want to tell you for things like melasma. Actually, it's the best that you go to a dermatologist because that is a condition which needs to be actually treated. So मैं आपको नुस्खे तो दे दूंगा उसके लिए, but like it's something that I think you will benefit from a lot going to a skin doctor who can actually physically see your skin because that makes a huge amount of difference. So I hope that helps you out. Krishna says, please, I don't know what you said, please do. Rajbir Singh says, bro, तुमको इतने messages किए. Rajbir, I'm sorry, मैं अपने नहीं बहुत DMs बहुत कम पढ़ता हूँ, but comments में ज़्यादा काफी पढ़ लेता हूँ. Have I got connected? Hello? I think my like live connection is so bad today. What is the dates for launching the weight loss powder? Garima is asking. Garima, we should launch the fat burners and the BCAA hopefully in the next 1 week. Our big launch for the coming week is going to be the women's protein that I just put up a video for. And it's amazing how आप में से इतने सारे लोगों ने ऐसे नाम recommend किया हमारे protein के लिए, which I'm so happy about. So we'll do that very soon. Shambhavi says, first saw you on TikTok, then followed you here. Loved your Paras की नुस्खे Paras की कहानियाँ. Shambhavi, thank you so much. I love Paras की कहानियाँ. मैं actually थोड़ा आजकल ऐसे मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिलता कहानियाँ वो बनाने का वीडियोस, पर मेरे को भी बड़ा मजा आता था उनको ऐसे बनाने में. Like I really enjoy them. Hi Parthiya, I'm ready to talk. Parthiya and me have had the worst sort of vastu when it comes to talking on this whole thingy. But yeah. Saima says already done, but nothing is working. Really obliged you reverted. All right, Saima. I will, if I anyways feel like there's something we can share with you, I will definitely try to share that with you. Martina says hi. What's up? Omashri Biswa says say my name. Hoy Mashri. I like that name. Hoy Mashri. Is that a Bengali name? Black Bee Raj is saying for hair growth. For hair growth, I strongly suggest make a oil. Take mustard oil or take coconut oil. उसमें आप थोड़ा सा onion fry करो और उसमें मेथी नहीं होती, मेथी के बीज वो fry कर दो. या अगर मेथी नहीं होता, if you have mustard, which is what is mustard? सरसों? Is that it? Yeah. You can sort of fry that and make an oil. That's very good for you. Naresh is saying, so I can help you because I'm tied with colleges, so you can help students in my career. Yeah, Naresh, of course. If you have somebody who wants to intern with us, अगर कोई भी हमसे intern करना चाहता है, हमारा जो headquarters है, नया वाला headquarters है, Stud Muffin और नुस्खे बाबार्स का, वो लुधियाना में है. So we're looking for interns. If you want to work with us, if you want to have an internship with us, studmuffin22@gmail.com and you can send us one email and my team will get in touch with you. मैं जो काम कर रहा था मैं ऐसे भूल गया ना. I just like totally it slipped my mind. Sharma Raj says hi, what's up? Hi, what's up? How are you? Hi.
कब से
I see a very bright smile.
Thank you.
You know, I know you're smiling and saying something, but unfortunately I can't hear you. But that is a big bright smile, man. So happy to see it. Your connection, unfortunately, is very dodgy. But where are you from?
Jaipur.
Oh, that is awesome. What's your name again?
Saurabh.
Awesome, nice to meet you, man.
Saurabh.
Unfortunately, I think हमारा वो थोड़ा connection का issue चल रहा है. I can't really see much, but that is awesome. Do you have a question for me? Anything I can help you with? Anything you want to ask?
कुछ है, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
I like that. He's like, I have no question, which is superb, man. Which is great. What do you do? Are you a student? What do you study? What do you do?
स्टूडेंट हूँ मैं बायो का.
Wow, that sounds intense. That must be a lot of studies, man.
Yeah, बहुत.
That is really, really cool. And how is Jaipur and coronavirus? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it as chilled out as Himachal?
Average.
Average. I like that. Not bad. Not bad at all. Chalo, it was very nice to talk to you. I wish you had a better connection because मेरे को actually, to be honest with you, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. It's all pixelated. ऐसे वो जैसे हम पुराने में जैसे जब ऐसे जब pixelation होता था वैसे हो रहा है. But it was good to connect with you.
कोई बात नहीं.
All right. See you, man. Big Pucci.
Big Pucci.
Bye. Bye.
एक मिनट.
That was Saurabh, unfortunately with Saurabh, I have not been able to, I couldn't really see him much, but yeah. Nung Kwenu says, hi dear, I have no problem. I just came here to see you and say hello to you, which is awesome. That's very sweet. Ragini says, wish me, bro, it's my birthday. Hey, happy birthday, Ragini. I hope you have an amazing year and I hope you have a really, really good time. Dev Murari says, I want to have something for open pause. Is that what you asked? Supriya says, hi Paris, I'm from Shimla. Hey, what's up Supriya? How you doing? Not your hottie says, hi Paris. Bhai, body mein weakness hai. Crick no matter what is saying. Okay, I'm going to add you on this live so I can help you out with this body mein weakness ka problem because I want you to be strong. Anirban says, my first comment. That's very sweet. Ashish says, I suggested you a name. Okay, I'll check it out on the comments. I haven't seen it. Priyanka says, hi, I really like your videos. Thank you. Now, Supriya says, it feels so good to see somebody like you belongs to similar makers. But hey, thank you, Supriya. That's very sweet. Thank you. Vishal says, turquoise topaz. Mr. BBN says, hi. This guy lover says, hi, what's up? How are you doing?
सुबह आप बताइए आप कैसे
I
हैं?
like your, I like. Very good, man. मेरे को आपका username अच्छा लगता है. Crick no matter what. What is your actual name?
Actually, I'm a cricketer ना. I love cricket.
Oh, that is awesome. How do you play?
Cricket. Actually, body में weakness है, खेल नहीं पा रहा ढंग से.
क्यों ऐसा क्या हो गया?
पता नहीं. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा कमजोर सा फील होता है. स्टैमिना बहुत जल्दी थक जाता हूँ. स्टैमिना बहुत लूज है.
I can imagine. Are you
पता
eating a
नहीं.
lot of protein, fat? Are you eating all these things which will help you?
मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं खा रहा, बस वही घर का खाना खा लेता हूँ, दूध दही मट्ठा.
So I feel like मेरे को कभी कभी जब ऐसा होता है, मेरे को ऐसे एनर्जी लेवल ड्रॉप होने लग जाता है, नॉर्मली फील इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक मल्टीविटामिन्स. तो अगर मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मेरी एनर्जी ड्रॉप हो रही है बिकॉज हम प्रोटीन कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वो सब खा लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअली हम ये जो स्पिनच बीट रूट ऐसी ऐसी चीजें नहीं खाते. तो जब मेरे को ऐसा लगने लग जाता है कभी कभी, आई टेक लॉट ऑफ स्मूदीज. एक खीरा डाला,
अब
पालक
पता क्या
डाला,
था,
टमाटर.
मैं पता क्या होता हूँ, अगर मैं वेजिटेबल सूप लेता हूँ और ज्यादा कभी ले लेता हूँ ना, बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे एक गिलास में लेता हूँ, फिर 1-2 घंटे का गैप के बाद फिर लेता हूँ. अगर बाई चांस मैंने इसके बीच में 1-2 गिलास ज्यादा लिया तो फिर पेट खराब हो जाता है.
Correct. So the trick for that is to have stuff which is not going to make you fat. So if you're having things like palak, टमाटर, what I normally do is सबको एक ब्लेंडर में डाल दिया, थोड़ा सा BCAA डाल दिया, तो वो टेस्टी भी होता है. और स्मूदी से तो क्या होता है, वेट गेन नहीं होता. Your skin will start glowing and your weakness will go, because a lot of multivitamins is something we don't normally have, right? Your body needs zinc, iron, calcium, magnesium. We need all these things. तो start having smoothies. मतलब दिन में literally, तो मेरे को ऐसे खाने में मजा नहीं आता. मेरी बाई रोज एक खीरा काट देती है, थोड़े पालक काट देती है, नींबू, एंड उस पर थोड़ा सा जिंजर होता है. तो उसको ऐसे ब्लेंड किया, गटक लिया, say Jai Shri Raman Gatko it, and I think it will help you out a lot.
यार थैंक यू, आपने बता दिया ना, तो सब ऐसे ही कर रहा था मैं भी.
And have peanut butter. Have stud. I was going to say Nuske Bavaris ka peanut butter. I get confused between my own brands. Have the stud muffin ka protein peanut butter.
वो मेरे को हेल्प करेगा.
Yeah, it'll work a lot. In fact, the protein peanut butter is great because it's made with more protein. It's got 38 grams protein per 100. That means on a 32-gram serving, you're getting about 12-13 grams of protein, which is great.
प्रोटीन की वजह से वीकनेस होती है.
Huh?
प्रोटीन की वजह से वीकनेस होती है.
Yeah, because if you're not having protein, अगर आप अंडे नहीं खा रहे हो, चिकन नहीं खा रहे हो, पनीर नहीं खा रहे हो, if you don't have protein, so obviously.
नहीं, मैं वेजिटेरियन, मेरे को ना एक्चुअली आपकी ना वो,
सबसे ज्यादा, when you're vegetarian, that is the most difficult. So if you can have at least have 200 grams of paneer every single day, have moong dal ke sprouts, have chana ka sprouts. Those things will really help you out, man.
हाँ.
If you're a cricketer, I want you to make our country proud, okay? So तुम ऐसे fancy strong cricketer बन जाओ और अच्छे से खेलना, and then I want you to make us very proud.
आप मेरे को ना आपकी धार्मिक बातें जो आप करते थे ना, मैंने आपको टिकटॉक से फॉलो किया था.
Oh,
तो धार्मिक
nice.
बातें आप जो करते थे, मैं वहां से मैंने आपको किया, मैं और उसी वजह से मैं फिर वेजिटेरियन हुआ हूँ. मैं
Oh,
इतना
that's
प्रभावित हो गया आपसे.
that's very nice. I'm
मैं
so
उससे
glad.
मैंने इसी साल फेब मार्च तक मीट खाया है, उसके बाद मैंने सब छोड़ दिया.
That's
अंडे भी नहीं खा रहा मैं.
that takes a lot of dedication. That's
और
very. I'm so proud of you, and that's very nice.
और अभी ये जो था, अभी कुछ वो था, कहते हैं सावन का महीना था, और अब कनागल शुरू हो जाएंगे, तो इसमें तो मैं वैसे भी नहीं खाता था, और अब तो मैंने छोड़ ही दिया, तो बिल्कुल नहीं खा रहा हूँ. बिल्कुल सब छोड़ दिया मैंने.
That's great. But if you're
तो आप
feeling
बीच बीच में
weakness, you say.
तो बीच बीच में आप करते रहा करो ना धार्मिक बातें, जो कहानी सुनाते थे आप, अपने धर्म के बारे में बताते थे आप.
I know, you know, in fact, that's the one thing so many people have been telling me, why have I stopped it? मैं सच्ची बताऊं, मेरे पास आजकल टाइम ही नहीं होता. I also feel like, you know, and ये सच्ची बात है, पहले मैं इतना सारा content बनाते थे. अब क्या होता है, we're making content either for, you know, brands, which really, I'm telling you honestly, it really happens, right? Because you get stuck in the commerce. But now that you've told me, I promise I will make more पारस की कहानी and make more पारस की बातें, so that you get.
हफ्ते में एक वीडियो बना दो, मेरे बात बन जाएगी.
मैं वचन
हफ्ते में एक वीडियो है.
भगवान जी की कसम, I'll make like one पारस की बातें. Chalo, see you, man. Lovely talking to you. I hope you get stronger and better and you play awesome, and I hope you make us very proud.
थैंक यू, आपसे बात करके बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
See you, man. Big Gucci.
बाय.
Bye. That is so cool. I like the fact that we spoke to a budding cricketer, and that's really, really good. I hope he does some amazing stuff. It would be so cool. Then people like, yeah, हमने live पे बात की थी, and now he's such a big cricketer. I hope he really grows. Chalo guys, I'm gonna run. I have some work to do because we're working our entire Stud Muffin team is working very hard because हम ये जो diet plans है लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं कल तक, जिसका मतलब ये कि आप 99 रुपीज अगर पे करोगे, आपको studmuffin.com पर वेज डाइट प्लान्स, नॉन वेज डाइट प्लान्स, गेनिंग के डाइट प्लान्स, लूजिंग के डाइट प्लान्स हो जाएंगे. इट्स वेरी नॉमिनल फी, 99 रुपीज पर मंथ, कुछ भी नहीं होता है. तो we're trying to launch it right now, तो उसमें हम काफी busy हैं actually, so I want to do that. I hope जिसने भी आज videos देखे, ये वाला video देखा, whoever joined me live, thank you so much, and I love talking to everyone. It's also very nice. Shambhavi says your voice is so calming. Thank you, that's very sweet. And I will actually, you know, this is great. I'm glad that he told me this. I think a lot of you have been telling me, say, hey, you're not making the videos on religion जैसे मैं पहले बनाता था. I promised to do it because yes, I've been caught up, but I think I should do that because I used to really enjoy talking about Hinduism. मुझे भारत के बारे में बात करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, and I think it's a great way to share. We have a new video coming up from अरे सुना है क्या with Paras Tomar, which is a new episode coming up, जहाँ मैं आपको गणेशा के बारे में बताऊंगा. So that video should come up very, very soon. For everyone today who's seen this video, for everyone who's taken the time to comment, Thank you so much for taking the time out and spending some time on a Sunday with me. And I hope you guys are happy and healthy and awesome. And bye bye, Big Pucci. Mwah.